Hi, Jen here with Virtual PBX, and today we're going to be reviewing how to use ring groups. Ring groups are designed to ring multiple extension owners so that a group of people can answer a call. Phones can ring simultaneously, overlapped, or in series. To start, let's review how to create a ring group. To create a ring group, start by selecting Groups in the dashboard. Then click on the Add Group button. Then create an extension unique to this group. Then drag in the users that you would like to be added to this ring group. Then click Create Group. Then click on the name of the group that you just created. You will see an option for dialing repeats. This is the number of times a caller will ring to the members of the group before the next action feature will take effect. Mouse over the dialing repeats box and use the up-down arrows to enter in the number of rings you prefer, any number between 1 and 9. Then click on Save Changes. Next, click on the members of the group you created. You will then see that there are two options in which you can route your callers. Please make sure that all users have working devices, otherwise the ring group may not route the call properly. Follow me calling settings enabled for a user do not apply to calls coming into a ring group. So, if a user with multiple devices in a ring group and a call come into the ring group, all of that user's devices will ring at the same time. The two options you have to evenly route calls to your selected members are clicking on the Distribute button, which it will evenly distribute the calls between all group members, or you can manually select how you want the calls to be distributed. After you have set the distribution of the calls and how you want them to be routed, click on Save Changes. Now, let's review how to have a dedicated phone number ring directly to the group. Click on the box under Phone Numbers. If no phone number is selected, inbound callers will get to ring this group by dialing the extension or being transferred to the extension. You may select from either a spare number or by numbers. Then click on Save Changes after you have selected the number. Now, let's review some optional ring group features. There are several different group features that can be enabled. To begin, click on the group features and select the feature you wish to enable. Let's start with Ringback. Ringback allows you to have on-hold music or hold messages play while the inbound caller is waiting to connect to a ring group feature. To enable, click on Ring Back from the feature dropdown and click on the disabled button to change it to enabled. Then select the Ring Back media you would like to choose, or you may choose to upload new media. Please make sure that your ringback audio is longer than the ring duration for the ring group. If the ringback is shorter, it will play to the end of the file and then follow the next action. Next action allows you to control how Dash should handle the call after offering the call to the various users and no one was able to pick up. For example, sending the caller to a voicemail box. To enable, click on the next action from the Features dropdown and click on the Disabled button to change it to Enabled. Then select which action you would like to take, and then click on Save Changes. Now let's review Allow Call Forward. Allow Call Forward allows the users to press their device forward button to forward a call from this ring group. To enable, click on Allow Call Forward from the Features dropdown and click on the Disabled button to change it to Enabled. And then click on Save Changes. And lastly, to enable Caller ID Prepend, click on Caller ID Prepend from the Features dropdown and click on the Disabled button to change it to Enabled. Enter the ID name prefix and ID number prefix desired. ID name is typically the text you wish to have show up. Please note that the prepend will only show up on VoIP phones. Prepend will not work with cell phones or landlines. Then click on Save Changes. And now your ring group is completely set up.